If you're a passionate content creator, you must be working on videos. And if you feel it's difficult to launch your own solo videos, you can easily launch your online talk show. Why do I say that? I have launched some 6 to 7 talk shows recently, and they are all doing very well. People engage with the talk shows. I feel my audience is gaining a lot of information. They are interested, they're participating in the talk shows, and it's going on well. I personally believe that launching a talk show is the easiest thing to do. So if you have not done that already, you can easily do it. Just pick up your smartphone, put it up on a camera and a tripod, use some extra light sources, and begin talking. No. This is not how it goes. You also need to invite some guests to participate in your talk show. Hence, let's start again. In your talk show, you need first your theme. Your theme will be an area of interest that sparks and speaks with your audience. It's not already exhausted, it's not very common, it's related to what you love to do, and audience is expecting it of you. Second, you will determine who will watch your talk show. Will it be for teenagers? Will it be for entrepreneurs? Will it be for beauty experts? Who should be interested? Will it be for work from home moms? Will it be for freelancers? Determine your audience. Once you have determined, make a list of different topics that you're going to use in your talk show. Have a longer list, because then you can shortlist from the topic the most important ones. Once you have taken up points of discussion as topics and you have decided your audience, you are good to go and determine the concept of your show. When you're determining the concept of your show, there are 3 factors that you will look at. First one, you will decide the duration of each episode. Second one, you will decide how many episodes will be there. Third one, you will decide the look and feel and the colors you are going to use for your talk show. And you will also decide the title of your show. Once you have done that, you will look at the list of topics that you have decided and go to your LinkedIn, look for experts who are speaking already about these topics and have views that your audience can benefit from. Draft invitations detailing the nature of your talk show and why it is important for you to have those wonderful people as your guests on your show. Send them off those wonderful messages as invitations. Once you have done that, you already have started communicating with people efficiently about your talk show. Prepare your audience. Start creating promo banners for your talk show. Post them on your social media so that your audience is ready and is expecting them on a particular date. After engaging with this promo material, you can go back to your groundwork and look at your performance style. Now, I am sure not all of us are always ready to host a talk show, and there are some specifics we need to keep in mind. How will we announce the show? How will we host it? What are the different things we will be talking about? What will be my talk style? How much talking will I do? How much talking will my guests do? What am I going to wear? How should I be looking? All these things need to be considered. So you will sit down and sort them out. Once this is sorted and your guests have agreed, you need to prepare a script for yourself. A script is important because if during your talk time you forget something, you can always go back to the script and pick from where you lost it. Easy, simple, and doable. So, I'm waiting for your next talk show. Once you're ready and it is launched, do let me know. I would love watching it for you. And I would love to interact with you during your show. Bye for now.